Good morning, students. In previous classes, we have completed additions without regrouping. Okay. Now I will explain how to add numbers with regrouping. Okay. First, adding 4-digit numbers with regrouping means adding 4 digits numbers with cover over. Okay. Our first sum is add 7218 and 1965. Okay, add 7218 and 1965. So first rule is we have to arrange both numbers in columns. Okay, look here, 7 2 1 8. Now 1965. Addition. This is addition symbol. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now look here. I have written these numbers in columns followed by ones, tens, hundreds, thousands on the top. Okay. Next rule is always we have to start from right side, that is ones place. Okay, we have to start from ones place. What is the number here? 8. Here 5. Now add these two, 8 and 5. Kindly don't use lines. Okay, count on your fingers. So keep bigger number in your mind. What is the number here? 8. 8 is bigger than 5. So keep this bigger number in your mind and other numbers on your fingers. Look, this is in your mind now. And what is other number? 5. So we'll count, take 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 8. 8 after what will get? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What we got? 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So the digit in the ones place will be written here and the digit in tens place is taken as carry. So 3 here, 1 taken as carry. Now add this total. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 6, 7, 8. So 8 here. Next, what is the digit here? 2. Here 9. In these two, which one is bigger? 9. So 9 keep in your mind. And 2. Open your 2 fingers. 9, 10, 11. 11 is also 2-digit number. So the digit in the ones place is written here and the digit in the hundreds place is taken as carry. Okay. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what answer we got? 9183. 9183. Okay. Now I will explain one more problem. Add 9654 and 2986. Okay. First, what is our first rule? Yes, we have to arrange these numbers in columns. 9, 6, 5, 4, 2, 9, 8, 6. Always we have to write ones place under ones place only. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is addition symbol. Okay. Now look here. Second rule, what is that? Always we have to start from ones place. So what is the digit here? 4. Here 6. 6 is bigger than 4. So keep 6 in your mind and take 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So the digit in the ones place is written here and the digit in the tens place is taken as carry. Okay, we have to add this carry to tens place. Okay, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 8. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is also 2-digit number. Once we have to write here, and the digit in the tens place is taken as carry in hundreds place. Okay. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9. Take your 9 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is also 2-digit number. So the digit in the ones place is written here and the tens place is taken as carry. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. So we will get here 12. 12 is also 2-digit number only. But here not there any digits, so we will write here only. So what answer we got? 12,640. Like this you have to do. Look here children, in textbook page number 96, exercise 2 is this is your homework. Okay, complete these in textbook and this also and this also. Exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4. Complete in your textbook only. Okay. Now I will explain these word problems. Write in your fine notes. Look here children. Textbook page number 96. Exercise 2. I question. Okay. 559 children bought books from a school bookshop on the first day. 463 children bought books on the second day. How many children bought books in 2 days? Okay. How many children bought on first day? 559. Look here. Number of children bought books from the shop on first day. How many children bought? 559. 559. Okay. Number of. Now on second day. How many children bought on second day? Yes, 463. 463. Now add these two. We'll get total number of books. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. So we'll write 2 here. 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, again 12. 2 is here and 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1022. So therefore 1022 books were bought by children. Okay, this is I answer in 2 days. How many days? In 2 days. This is I answer. Look at J question. There are 663 horses and 527 cows in a farm. How many animals are there in the farm? So first, number of which animals are there? Horses. So number of horses in a farm. 663. Now number of cows in a farm, 527. Okay, now add this 2, we'll get total number of animals. Look, 3 plus 7, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Next 6 plus 5, 11. 1190 animals. So therefore here only write total number of animals in the form, in form, 1190 animals are there. Okay, this is J answer. Now textbook page number 97, exercise 3, I question. Okay, 2559 people visited the trade fair in Delhi on Saturday. 3405 people visited on Sunday. How many people visited the trade fair in the 2 days? Okay, now I solution, I answer. Okay, first, number of people visited on Saturday. How many people visited on Saturday? 2559. Now number of people visited on Sunday, 3405. Now we'll write the two numbers here, 2559 plus 3405. Add these two. Look here, 9 plus 5, 14. 4 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 0, 6 only. When we add any number with 0, we'll get same number. So 6 only. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 5964. Therefore, 5964 people visited the trade fair in 2 days. Okay, this is I answer. Now look at J question. In a train there are 1570 first class seats and 2550 second class seats. How many people can sit in the train? Okay, number of first class seats. How many are there? 1570. Now number of second class seats, 2550. Okay, now we'll add these two, 1570, 2550. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore, 4120 people sit in the train. In the train. Okay, up to J answer complete in your fair notes and do this in your textbook. Okay, thank you.